This is the structure of the plant cell. You know what is a cross section? Cross section means when you cut the cell from the middle and the half of the cell is known as my cross section. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
you have the cell wall. The outermost layering is known as the cell wall. Just the outermost layering.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
this part. This is my cell wall. Okay, what can you see it? Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, this is my vacuole. This whole part is my vacuole. Okay, this whole
Yes,
part
ma'am.
is my vacuole. Now, vacuole in plant cell is obviously more than the vacuole in animal cell. Animal cells do contains vacuole. Animal cells do contains vacuole, but in lesser amount. The space is much less or in animal cells. Okay, you know Golgi bodies. Have
Now
you
start
seen
telling.
just here it is written Golgi bodies. Can you
Yes,
see
ma'am.
it? Golgi bodies. Now, you know what a Golgi body is? They are stacked coins. If you stack coins one after the other, they look like Golgi bodies.
Okay, ma'am.
This is my mitochondria, which is the site of powerhouse.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is ER? Tell me, what is ER? What is the full form of ER?
Smooth endoplasmic reticle.
Yes. ER is only meant as endoplasmic reticulum. There are two types of ER. The ones which is rough have got teeth-like structures, and the ones which are smooth, they do not have any teeth-like structures. This nucleus is the brain of everything. Nucleus is the brain of anything. This has nucleus and the nucleolus. The part inside the nucleus is known as nucleolus. And the outer
Ma'am.
membrane I do not know whether you'll be able to see the board or not. Just check it out. This membrane is known as my nuclear membrane. See, it's
Yes, ma'am.
written there, nuclear membrane. Okay, then we have chloroplast. What is the function of chloroplast?
Ma'am,
What
to
is
give,
chloroplast actually?
ma'am, ma'am, it gives the leaf green color, I guess.
It gives the leaf green color. It is what is actually a chloroplast? Tell me that. I did it yesterday with you.
Ma'am, it is inside chlorophyll and it helps.
No. What is a chloroplast? I have asked you a question. What is a chloroplast?
Ma'am, it gives the plant green color. Like,
And Moise, you are giving me the function of the chloroplast. No, chloroplast is a plastid. I did it with you yesterday. Please write it down. Chloroplast is a plastid.
chloroplast is plastic.
It is actually a plastid. We have three plastids. Write it
Yes,
down. Three plastids. In plants, we basically have three plastids. Chloroplast,
chloroplast
chromoplast,
and
and leucoplast.
yes, ma'am.
Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Chloroplast, green color. Chloroplast, green color. Chromoplast, all colors except green color. All colors except green color. And leucoplast means white color.
Ma'am, so, but I have a doubt, like,
Yeah,
ma'am,
tell me.
ma'am, leucoplast, like, the plants will be like in like white colors.
Potatoes.
Potato.
Potatoes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then we have centrosome. Centrosome. What is the function of centrosome? Centrosome is a genetic, it helps in the hereditary matters. Okay. Centrioles, centrosomes, they help in hereditary matters. Can you get me? That is my cytoplasm.
Oh,
That
like
is my cytoplasm. The whole part is the cytoplasm. The whole yellow part is my cytoplasm.
yes,
Is
ma'am.
it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you seen that the chloroplasts are all green? All green, just see. They're all green. Can you see it in the diagram?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
The outer part is my cell wall. What is the function of cell wall? It acts as a selectively permeable membrane.
Yes, ma'am.
Selectively permeable membrane.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay? And the second part is my cell membrane. The second part is my cell membrane. The inner part is my cell membrane. After being acting as a selectively permeable membrane, it still selects them, so that before any foreign particles getting into the cell body and affecting the other organelles of the cell, it will protect it.
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Okay, if it ruptures, if the cell ruptures, then it's a different issue. Is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, a myeloblast. A myeloblast is, you know what? It is also known as leucoplast. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So ribosomes, last part is ribosomes. What is the function of ribosomes? What is the
They have,
function of ribosomes?
they have proteins.
They have proteins. No, better, you're wrong. They help in protein synthesis, that is formation of proteins.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand? So come on, tell me quick, fast. What is the function of cell wall?
It helps like not the foreign materials to come in.
No. First is, it is selectively permeable.
Yes, ma'am. So it selects what to come in. Like,
Yes. What is the function of cell membrane? What is the function of this cell membrane? What do you understand by the term membrane? What do you understand by the term membrane? Membrane means any layer. Any layer is known as membrane. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please here, just now I gone with you, na? Cell membrane. Cell membrane stops foreign particles to get into the cell body and affecting the organelles of the cell. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is vacuole, which is the most important part. And by this, you can understand it is a plant cell. By this only you can understand it is a plant cell. Now we come to nucleus. Nucleus, it is the brain, like the human body has a brain. So every plant and animal cell has a brain. Then you have nuclear membrane. The layer covering the nucleus is known as the nuclear membrane. Is
Yes,
it
ma'am.
okay? You have chloroplast. Chloroplast, function of chloroplast. What is the function of chloroplast, beta?
Ma'am, chloroplast is a plaster. It helps for giving green color to the plant.
Good. Very good. What is the function of mitochondria, beta? What is
Ma'am,
the
it's a
function?
powerhouse. Ma'am, it is the powerhouse of the cell. It gives energy to
Very
the cell.
good. What is the yellowish part present in the cell? The whole part?
Cytoplasm.
Cytoplasm. It is actually a jelly-like substance.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the function of centrosome? At least answer me. Centrosome, it helps in hereditary material. It helps in hereditary material.
It's a hereditary material.
Okay, genetic material or hereditary material. Do you understand by the term heredity?
Yes, ma'am.
Your mom, your father, father's father, father's father, generation by generation. That is my hereditary. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you have the rough endoplasmic reticulum and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. In rough endoplasmic reticulum, you have, what do you have? You have a teeth-like structures. Even in mitochondria also, just see, you have teeth-like structures. Just check here, it's teeth-like structures. Is it so?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ribosomes, they help in protein. They help in what? Protein?
Protein synthesizing.
Yes. Synthesis. Synthesis means making. And Golgi body, they are all stacked up like coins.